What happened?
It's nothing. I'm only Coco.
Okay. Wow, you're tall. You're tall na? You blow.
Dad, it's so hot.
It's fine. I-blow muna. Sabi ko pa naman, jump float kayo kaya dito ko diretso. Meron kasing unleaded doon sa unahan eh. Bagong bukas. Hanggang ano sila naman, 12 midnight. Kinakalakain namin. Kala ko 12.
What? What? Ay, kumain na pala nga.
Bata kasi kaya ako dito na lang.
Daddy.
Yes, mama.
Daddy.
Dami.
You used to do.
Good job. Good job. Dito lang. Magalit si ate. 70 lang to.
70?
Kaya naman kanina 40.
I check your height. Wow, you're tall. You're tall na? Oh, you're tall.
Mama,
Wait, picture friends. Just smile, okay?
okay, this is Maria.
Wow.
Ready? Friends.
What happened?
Now this is for me.
Yeah.
Mama,
Yeah, I open. Wait, lang. Shishake.
the milkshake. Wow, Papa, yeah.
Don't eat
What
the, ano,
taste?
the pearl. Don't eat the pearl.
No.
Ma-choke ka. I forgot to ask to tell Ate then put ano pearl. Yeah, you choke.
I told my
Yeah, that's why. If you drink that one, don't swallow ha. Put it here, oh. Okay? That's dangerous, you ha. You get choked. You see the ate in the TV? I ask Ate to make another one, okay? Okay? Okay. Ganda. Gaba ka dyan. May monster dyan.
Wow!
Yung isang flavor, ano flavor?
Ano yung bata?
Ito, honey butter. Yung isa.
Garlic. Unsalted caramel. Unsalted eggs.
What happened?
It's nothing. I'm only Coco.
Okay.
I don't say Mama, okay?
Friends, what happened? Okay na?
He's chasing me with it. What? Why is it so cold here? Why is this really important? I couldn't say what I wanted to say because I was scared, but you guys know I can do it.
May salted ka pa dyan, Elsa.
Ito. Salted ba ito?
Yung right. Salted yan?
Ito na isa.
Yan sa'yo, akong to.
Kaya pala eh.
Ha?
Kaya... Yeah. Movie? Change?
Yes.
Okay, I can be. Gabi kasi mahirap na.
We're not